Welcome to day one of the van build. This is my Ford Econoline 2009 high roof. And it used to be like a handicap passenger van and I ripped out everything, as you can see. Literally just took out the ceiling too. So we're gonna start like building it today. First I'm gonna paint the windows black, like the back windows. I don't think it's illegal, but I need more privacy in this thing. Got back from Home Depot and we have like so much. Let me show you the haul. So we have max air fan, insulation, a bunch of wood, 3 sheets of plywood. So we should be pretty ready to go. Guys, this van is huge. It's literally like 5 feet tall and 12 feet long. Can you believe that? But let's get started. Okay, got some protection on. Gonna be using this black Rust-Oleum paint and literally just spray paint my windows. Like, we have no plan here ever. I'm kind of just gonna wing this whole entire thing. Windows are already tinted black and I'm hoping that they just look like they're more tinted. Oh, interesting. It's like different things. So we're gonna go number 4 on this little thing. Okay, here we go. Let's do a test. Oh, okay. That's like cool, I think. Okay, I need like better. Let's go standard, number 2. Smells like spray paint. I need like a ventilator mask, but I don't have one, so we're just gonna do this really fast. I just used the whole can of spray paint. Let me show you what I did. It kind of worked. I like kind of messed it up at first, but so this is the first window I did. I don't know why it's like so streaky just right there, but then this is the rest of them. They look pretty good. It doesn't even need to look like anything because I'm gonna be covering them up with insulation and wall. And then I also spray painted like everything because a lot of this van is rusty. But the plan is to have the bed here where this like white thing is. So then here the windows will be open. And like you can see out the front, but like this whole part is going to be privacy in the back. Like look at that. And they just look like tinted windows. And you can't even tell, like this one has no spray paint and this one does. Gosh, what? Ew, my hair feels crusty. I have spray paint all over me. Like my arms are sticky. I think I'm going to get up on the roof now and cut a hole in the roof. Woohoo! I have this thing. Yeah, she's thick though. Hopefully it works. We have some, what is it? Some cross breeze? Some ventilation. We need some ventilation. We're gonna go on the roof. Woo! I also have my solar panels, but I don't know how to do those. Up to the roof for the fan. It's so sketchy up here. So I was gonna try to put this fan right here in this nice little square spot, but there's like a bar right here, so I can't be doing that. So I'm gonna put it here. It kind of looks like it's in the middle, right? Just line it up with like random things. I'm cutting a hole in this van. Okay. This roof is literally crackling as I climb across it. I don't think I'm supposed to be on a fiberglass roof. I'm gonna re-measure the square like twice now because it was crooked. I'm just scared of this thing. This thing is so scary, especially when you use it on metal. Oh my gosh, sparks fly everywhere. It's like terrifying. I'm just gonna go around this one more time and hopefully the square will pop through. Look at that beautiful hole. Why won't it come through? Ah! It's just held on by the corners. So I think I'm gonna take that grinder thing in here and just cut off the corners. I didn't really want to because it's gonna be like over me and like that's kind of dangerous, but my 3rd time trying to get this stupid square out. But hey, look, it's kind of in the middle, like, and it looks pretty straight-ish. Let's do this. Oh, shoot. Gosh. Hell. Okay. Okay. Oh, Haha! Let there be light! We have a hole in the ceiling! This is what the ceiling's made out of. If you've ever wanted to see a Ford Econoline ceiling, high roof, plexiglass. Oh no, we have to see if this fan fits. Yeah, it's way too small. Well, that sucks. Why can't it just be right? We can squeeze it. Squeeze in. Now I'm gonna break something. I shaved down so much that it better fit because hey, this is where the fan's gonna go. OMG, it fits. I have a fan. It doesn't work yet because I didn't put the solar panels in, but it fits. I opened it up, get some nice circulation in here, and it's like kind of in the middle actually. Like, look at that. Pretty good. Pretty good for no measuring. Need some ventilation. Oh, I got you. I just turned on my fan. A little recap before the end of the day here. Oh, literally worked on this for like 5 hours and it looks like nothing is done. We did the windows, we did the fan, and started the floor. Actually, let me show you the floor. These, oh, this one's crooked. Stay. Ooh, that's not working too good. Okay. Hopefully that'll be good. I got these ones, but they're too big. I'm gonna take those back tomorrow and get the skinny ones again and make sure it's not curved like that. But yeah, end of day 1.